If you make $15 an hour, somebody already told you investing isn't for you. They were wrong. And today I'm going to prove it and Tate his with real numbers, not hype.
Nobody sat you down and explained the stock market. Not your parents, not your school, not your job.
What they taught you was how to work.
Yeah.
Clock in, do the hours, get the check.
Right.
And there's nothing wrong with that, Rolurkin, except it's only half the conversation.
The other half is what you do with the check after it clears.
Most people hear stock market and picture Wall Street, suits, screens, numbers moving too fast to read.
That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is simpler than your phone bill.
There is a fund called VOO that owns a piece of every major company in America.
You don't pick winners. You buy a share of the whole economy and you let time do the work.
You don't need to be rich to participate.
Yeah.
You need to be consistent.
Yeah.
How much do I need to start? And the answer is going to surprise you.
Most brokerages today let you buy fractional shares. That means you can start with $25, $50, whatever you can move.
You make $15 an hour, 40 hours a week. That's $2,400 a month before taxes.
Let's say after taxes and bills, you've got $100 a month you can put to work.
$100 a month into VOO.
Yeah.
Every month
Every month.
for 30 years.
And if you can find 200, that number doubles.
This isn't get rich quick. This is get rich slowly, Dane, which is the only kind that actually works.
Before you your flim, before you open an app and buy something through us, hear me on this.
Mistake one, buying individual stocks before you understand what you own.
Mistake two, putting in money you need in 6 months.
The man who puts in $50 today beats the man who waits for $500 every time.
$15 an hour is not a ceiling. It's a starting point.
Mistake three, waiting until you have enough. There is no enough. There is only starting and not starting.
Write your own story.
If you want to know exactly how to start Play It Forward, I'm here for that.
Thank you for supporting TAG Premium Studios.